Hello and welcome to Internet Business Models. Over the next 4 modules, we'll cover the 4 different ways to make money off the Internet. You'll learn how to launch your digital products, build an online advertising empire, leverage off the e-commerce trend, and even set up your high-ticket offers and programs. This is super important, and with you going through this training, you're putting yourself ahead of the pack. Why? Because most people jump in head-on without understanding the framework and concept of the respective business model. They end up making more mistakes than progress and spend more time, money, and resources unnecessarily. Guess what happens after that? Yep, they get frustrated and give up when they're so close to success. It's like 3 feet from gold. This training helps you to strike gold by understanding the business model first, so you can execute the plan effectively. So let's start. The first module is Product Launch Secrets. This training is designed specifically for those who want to launch their first product online. No more going through random trial and error before launching a product, because what I'm about to share with you is the complete launch model you need. So you'll be guided through the 8 important elements of a successful launch. These elements are modeled off what is currently being used by 6- and 7-figure internet marketers who launch their own products each month in the market, and some even say it is the gold standard for product launches. The 8 elements are: 1. Planning your launch, 2. The art of copywriting, 3. Outsourcing your work, 4. Creating your sales funnel, 5. Striking JV partnership, 6. Launch time, and 7. Post-launch. Each element will be discussed further in the following modules. The first component of launching your product is to plan your launch. This sounds simple, but it is one of the most overlooked steps by new internet marketers. First, you need to do market research. This is before anything else, so you can create a product with high relevance to the needs of the market. This is a cornerstone rule in internet marketing, but it is also one of the most skipped or overlooked steps by internet marketers. Creating a new product without doing research is very risky, as it can potentially waste your precious time, money, and resources. So where do you understand the market needs? First, create an account on jvzoo.com. This is the most well-known affiliate site among the internet marketers. It's a marketplace for product creators and affiliate marketers to market their various digital products, ranging from ebooks, video tutorials, software, apps, and plugins. Second, compile a list of featured products of the past 6 months. You can find this information under the Featured Products section in JVZoo. You are directed to a page where you can view the top picks for the past months. On the right side of the page, you can view See More, where there is a month's list starting from the current month to the previous months. Click on the month and it brings you to the featured products of the selected month. Get familiar with the system as soon as you can. Next, organize the list using an Excel spreadsheet. Categorize your findings to its respective month where the products were launched. Then create another category in another column and categorize it accordingly as software program, a web-based app, graphics, or a hybrid product. A hybrid product is a combination of 2 different product types. For example, a web-based software that generates graphics and logos. The last category and column is purpose. For example, is the product created for traffic or list building, email marketing, SEO, or logo and graphics creation? This is your job to organize your research so you can easily analyze and measure the data. When you've listed out all the featured products, you'll see a pattern. What you find is a list of the most and least popular products for the past 6 months. The reason why we're analyzing it is to know what's been selling well in the market. This indicates the needs of the market. You may also research up to 12 months and analyze to see if there is a product launch pattern according to the months. For example, is the month of December filled with fire sales or graphic product launches or something else? That's why planning and research is important for your product development. The key word you're looking at is innovation. Take a closer look at the evolution of mobile phones, computers, and even your printers. These things are hardly original when they were released. Would you agree with me if I say they are only revisions of previous creations? Yes? So how is this information important during the planning phase? It means you don't necessarily need to invent an entirely new product to become successful in your business. Any existing products will always have room for improvement. Look up what is selling in the market and analyze it. From there, just improvise and innovate. Create your own product with 2 or more added product types or recycle features from the previous ones, and you're good to go.